time already 5:10. This is electric bikes here. I have video from this place. Angelis to Mabalaca. This maybe 10 peso only. It's Korean shop, Korean store. McDonald's now. Shira wait me in McDonald's right now. Shira waiting me here. It's a long time. So,
Ay, a long time already here.
yes, big apartment, Shira.
Really big apartment.
Yeah.
But
Very
a long time here.
Real long time.
Yes.
You already order?
No, I'm waiting for you.
Okay. So we can eat here?
Mm.
Okay. You choose an application maybe.
But don't have signal.
Don't have signal, but you have internet.
I will take a look.
Here, take a look. This is Shira, two buildings in apartment. Old and new. No, old is not so old, but new very good.
We can use mix and match. Have 79 and 89 pesos there.
Where?
79 pesos. Mash and pepper steak with drinks already.
Okay, let's go. You choose for you. Only little bit only. Ice tea without ice. You can say personal, yes,
No,
without
it's
ice.
okay. You can take a look here.
Oh, I will remove ice
It's okay.
and water because sometimes ice is very sweet. I will mix with water only.
So it's 150. You can use also here card, Gcash.
Sure, I not take iPhone, but in this phone don't have. Okay. Enough? Shira have so many friends in McDonald's. That's why this is. It's your friend.
Yes. It's my manager. My manager. also-
Manager, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
And my.
But
previous
you
one.
not work here, but you know so many already
I work
stuff.
also here.
I know,
It's my
it's
first
not
time
your
here.
work, you only here study. You remember? Study only. You can sit in this corner. Here? Ah, okay. Yeah.
I also have what is this? Frappuccino.
Cappuccino?
No, yes, maybe have. Wait, I will take a look.
Ah, not need, Shaira. Shaira also not drink coffee. I also not drink coffee. Very hard here, I don't know. Because I walk so many. Not so many. If I walk so many, I'm all wet. But now little bit. Because here in McDonald's, not so cold. It's good also. Because if I'm wet and cold in McDonald's, it's faster sick. And I recommend it who live in the Philippines. If you wet, not go to the aircon place if very cold, or you need to change clothes or use jacket if go to the, for example, in the Sam very cold.
Also here they have macchiato, cappuccino also, but more lower price.
Here cheaper, it's for Georgi,
Yes, it's good. Better Georgi try here.
but it's far maybe for Georgi.
Why? You
10
can
minutes. Yeah, for
Walk. You go to what is this? You go to walk his Astro Park. It's same only road. You should go here only like
but
this.
nighttime Shaira is I'm not recommended to walk side
Better
the road.
before night. You take jeepney to go there. Just only take some
He
10
don't like
pesos.
jeepney, he don't like trike. Okay. This is also playground, it's for children.
Oh, they have so many.
This is our food in McDonald's. Maybe some of haters say, oh, Leon don't want to pay to McDonald's or something another, I don't know. Shaira, say about this.
Better you buy in McDonald's. You
What?
can eat so many food
If
already.
girl want to buy in McDonald's, better buy to girl.
Better you ask first the girl.
Yes,
Okay?
yes.
Because if you say, oh, I want go to Chowking, but I don't like it.
No, for example, he say, for example, one guy say, I will go to Kokomas, I will buy for you for 1,000 peso foods. But what you can say? What you say to this?
Better cheesecake
Better cheesecake for 100%.
or coffee for me. Because sometimes
So
I
money
don't.
is not problem. It depends on what you want.
Yes, it depends on what I want. If I go to Walking Street, I just only want
Sometimes
cheesecake.
Shaira take also this is what name I forgot.
Cockfloat,
Macflo.
Macfloat,
Cockflo, yes. But they can buy Cockflo and Kokomas don't have, yes?
Don't have. That's why I always come back to McDonald's because they have good drinks there. I like this one. And they have also coffee there, iced coffee, hot coffee, ice cream. So because I work there, so I know what I want to. And also big burger.
But my foods, I don't want it, but it's okay, I can eat little bit. But I'm not hungry because Shaira cooked for me before adobo, meat good. We put in, how you cook it? In pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker.
Yeah, meat is very soft, so that's why I don't want it in McDonald's. But I will eat only because with Shaira. I'm not hungry. Okay, let's eat. Also, this is very sweet tea. Need mix with water only. Shaira don't want it all, and she take out. Another door, yes, another. Traffic right now. This time always traffic. Tired, Shaira?
No.
Tired.
So hot only.
Because hot in the car. What you need to say?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and
Everybody, because one, not I don't know how many people don't like if we say guys. Everybody, okay. Guys and everybody.
Okay.
Ladies and
Again.
gentlemen also.
Okay. Again. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe and like.